So guys, this is where I was before I put the Knobblies on and I had a little go round here, and it was yeah, it was sketchy to say the least. Now I can already feel that is fantastic. Just got that grip. It has got this side on a tiny bit, but it's to be expected. It's just transformed it. Power. Hello. What a lovely dog. Hello. That's kicking arse. What's these sort of like logs and stuff, just like that just flick up and whack you in the shin. I'm really happy with this actually, because nothing is rattling from the bike at all. My rear brake has faded though. Yay! Heat up this battery. That's the thing about this bike, well that's the thing about hub motors in general, you need a lot of current to actually create that power, you really do. This is running probably 130-40 amps probably, something like that. The batteries, the cells are sagging a little bit, I am getting a bit of saggage going on, but you know, it's not bad. Not bad for the litre Cardo cells that are in there. They do sag quite a bit, and my wiring isn't really up to the job. It does fly though, picks up speed brilliantly. So yeah, I mean the other thing to do would be to replace them with maybe like electric vehicle cells or something out of a Leaf. Again, I've been speaking to somebody actually in the comments who's done that with the Leaf cells, so like 14 Leaf cells. Those cells are will be capable of a hell of a lot, so I'm guessing you should be able to pull quite a lot of current, and that's what you want. It's the current. It's the current that gives you the absolute mayhem. Yeah, I'm happy so far with this. It's good. Lovely. It's a lot of fun. That mudguard, the little Ceron number plate holder and the mudguard is actually, it really is actually like catching quite a lot of dirt. Whoa! Time for a shot, I think. So what's the motor temperature like? Well, it's getting hotter now. When I'd stopped to take this photo, it was actually, it's getting hotter as there's no airflow over it. So yeah, pretty warm. Does it so good with these tyres on though. Different machine. Awesome bit of kit. One more. Sun's coming out now as well. Getting the regen braking on as well. That helps you sort of slow down, decrease speed. Beautiful. Whoa. Another one of those bits of wood going to cause you problems. Do you know what, my knees are still not right after falling off. I fell off the 2000 watt scooter a little while ago. Knees still not right. Wicked fun, guys, wicked fun. I feel like I need to upgrade the brakes. Not quite biting, fading a bit. These are the Tech Tray ones, you see. The reason why I changed these, I had Hopes on it before. I've still got the Hope discs on, but the reason why I changed it was because these have got the switches in. Thanks a lot. Yeah, so they're much better. The Hopes have got much more grip. Obviously they're 2-pot calipers, so you know they're very powerful. Were they 4? Hope Tech E4, I think it might be 4-pot. 2 either side. Yeah, I think that's how they do it. But yeah, they're seriously powerful. But you haven't got the brake switches on the levers, so you won't get brake lights. So if you want to take this on the road, then you're gonna have a problem. But these aren't bad, but yeah, they're not enough. They're not enough actually. Not for what I was just doing then. You need some proper stoppers on here. So this hill here, I'm going to show you this hill. I don't know if you can get an impression of how steep this hill actually is, but it is freaking steep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a standing start from here. See, I've got brake lines as well. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a standing start. It'd be easier if I can get down here, and then I'll show you what this bike can do from a standing still uphill. Hopefully the tyres will grip. Should do. So you see this gradient here, ridiculous, right? Give it a little pedal. I'm not even full throttle, it's pulling a wheelie. Sick. Absolutely sick. Right, I'm gonna go in, it's getting too muddy. So there you go guys. Hope you enjoyed this one, little brief one just to give you an update on the tyres. As I say, these are the Sur-On tyres. They were a nightmare to fit, so I had to get someone to professionally fit them. Even he said they were an absolute nightmare, and this is a guy that does it all the time. He had to use normal tools. So yeah, if you want to do that, look at my tracks in front, look great, don't they? Yeah, so if you want to do that, then you can order the standard Sur-On tyres and put them on these 19-inch motorcycle rims, and this is what you get basically, just bags of grip. Bags of grip. There's probably better tyres out there, but to be honest, I wouldn't notice. Anyway, so there you go guys, thanks for watching, catch you in the next one.